Hey family, welcome to a haunted house. I'm Star. On this channel, I make content to empower others to pursue holistic wealth through real estate, financial hacks, and at-home inspiration. Today, we are doing a really cute double date with our friends, Kayla and Karan. They are coming over and we are going to do a gingerbread house competition. We've also ordered some tacos. They are bringing drinks. So we're about to have a nice lunch and then we'll also build gingerbread houses. So I'll show you how it goes. I also want to show you what we're using for the gingerbread houses. We bought these gingerbread mansion kits from Target. And we also bought, these are edible glitter and sprinkles from Target as well. And then we got these really nice pearl looking sprinkles from Michael's. So this is what we'll be using to decorate our gingerbread houses as well as what comes in the pack. But because I wanted it to be a competition, we bought a few extra decorations just to mix it up. So once Kayla and Karan get here, we'll start eating and then I'll show you our gingerbread house making. Here are our friends.
What's up, y'all?
Kayla.
It's about to go down. I'm telling you, we're gonna win. Hey, I'm just starting off. There.
We were really trying to do.
I'm starting off that way.
Babe, you ready?
I'm ready. I mean, number one feels good already.
David's never done this, but he's ready. So
I've never done this either. I think Kayla's the only one who's ever built.
This is the art of competition. You just gotta come ready.
You just gotta come ready.
Start off talking smack.
So I have. What if we did Instagram stories and got people to vote?
That's even better. I like
On the actual final product, we don't say who's we said choose A or B.
Yeah, I like that.
On everybody's stories, and we can calculate it and see who actually won. By the time this video comes out, we'll have the answer of who won, and we can put it in the video.
Right. Yeah, I like that.
You do this or that.
Yeah. Does it have a stuff for you?
Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Let's just put all the stuff out, and then we can say go.
Oh, wait. We already got what we put on.
Feeling a little.
Then we say go. Oh,
Right.
this is upside down.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, now we got, okay, there's the full stuff. These right here is back walls.
Yeah.
Wall, okay.
I feel like you my contractor. Why are we discussing what the name?
No, we could do it together.
Well, if theirs is leaning and ours isn't, then we win.
You gonna go up to the top anytime soon?
The top.
The sides.
I'm here.
That's a lot on one side. Go ahead.
Huh?
Yeah, that's a lot.
You're all dysfunctional.
Good job, baby.
Told you.
Our 1 year inspection gonna be This is all it takes to build a house. Why it take them so long?
No, that got you.
a wig slide.
Oh. Should we have a time limit on design? 20 minutes.
Legit? Okay. I'll make it fun.
Yeah.
I like it.
Okay.
Okay, I got a timer, so whenever y'all ready.
Alright, ready?
Ready?
Yeah.
Set, go. 1 minute. If we're still going this. 1 minute.
Okay, all right.
Okay, the band's off.
All right.
Okay. Yeah, here are the 2 gingerbread houses. I want you guys to let us know in the comment section which one you vote for, A or B.